Hi, this is Sreeram Nithin and I'm working as a business analyst at Log Normal Analytics. UNP has played a major role in shaping my academic and career trajectory. I've completed three courses with UNP, beginning with data analytics with Power BI and R, data science with machine learning, and advanced data science. Initially daunting, these courses grew on me and also sparked a newfound passion for data science. The course's curriculum strike a perfect balance between theory and practical applications. The projects undertaken and the presentations not just helped in enhancing my resume but also gave me confidence to present and talk about the projects I worked on. It played a major role during my interviews as well. Moreover, the supportive faculty at UNP played a pivotal role in my journey. Their willingness to address and clear all our doubts ensured a conductive learning experience. The skill set I acquired at UNP became a cornerstone of my daily tasks at work, underlining the relevance and the effectiveness of these courses they offer.